Everybody, welcome back to as well. We have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your DoorDash account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, you're gonna go ahead access your Chrome browser first, and then you're gonna go to the search bar and simply type in DoorDash and get to this official website of it. Go ahead and get logged in first with your account. Afterwards, once you have accessed your account successfully, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option called manage account after you have tapped on your profile icon right there, and then you can find this option called delete DoorDash account right below the options. If you scroll down, and you can tap on this confirm selection. Once you have tapped on it, you're gonna go ahead, find out the reasons, and then you're going to confirm it, and then we'll let you again confirm the deletion for your account itself. Once you are confirmed, so you will be able to delete your DoorDash account like that. So for that, you have to do it from your browser itself, and you will be done. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.